Excuse me. Hi, do you speak English? Yes, a little bit. My name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. I really like your style. You're very beautiful. So I just wanted to ask you if you'd like a quick photo. It's completely free.
I don't look good on picture.
Well, let's do this. If you don't like the photo, I will delete it right in front of you. Deal? It'll be really quick. What's your name?
Yes.
Lise? I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. So, yes, so we can do it here. So, Lise, do you have a favorite profile? No. So, basically, you're perfect on both sides.
Thank you.
That's really good. That's really good. So, can you stand like this? Yes. Perfect. Can you look over there? And can I get a serious face? If you can. Okay? Give me something mysterious, something serious. Yes, if you can. Yes. Perfect. Now, can you do something like this with your hair? Beautiful. Yes. Now you can look right here, and I just have one question for you. What makes you happy in life?
My family, my friends.
That's very nice. Very nice. So here are the photos. Wow. Oh, look at this. You're very beautiful. You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you.
Right? Is this?